this is Gregor from the Transifex product marketing team, and in this video we're going to go over the latest updates we've made to the Transifex glossary and how you can take advantage of the added functionalities and improvements in your workflow. Now, by industry estimates, almost 15% of translation project costs arise from rework and inconsistent use of terminologies. By creating and maintaining a comprehensive and a well-structured glossary, you can ensure that your product or brand is correctly represented in all languages. Now we're going to log in to our dashboard and click on glossaries in the top navigation menu. If you already have a glossary, you can click on View Glossary and you're going to land on the new Glossary Editor. From here, you can now find terms in a fraction of the time by setting the appropriate parameters. You can filter by text, by status, by tags, by users, and by date added. We've also added a keyboard shortcut so you can quickly and easily add glossary terms. The shortcuts are Ctrl-N and Alt-N. We're going to add a new term now. We'll translate the term to the selected language. I'm going to go ahead and click on French. I'm going to bring in my French translation for the term, and I'm going to go ahead and save it. A separate reviewer can also come in and mark the translation as reviewed. If you prefer to lock your term from being modified in the future, you can simply add the special locked tag to it. I'm going to edit the source term and I'm going to go ahead and add a locked tag. You can now see that the term is tagged as locked. Regardless of the context, some terms simply are just not translatable. For example, a financial app might want to keep the currency symbol for Euro USD untranslated throughout all target languages. The newly added notranslate tag does just that. So we're going to go back to our source language. We're going to add a term. We're going to call it Euro USD. And we're going to add a notranslate tag to the term. We're going to see that this term is tagged as notranslate, and all target languages will be replaced by the source language. We can switch to the Portuguese version, for example, and we can see that it has automatically populated the target language with its source language string. Finally, you can now see the glossary term change history directly in the Glossary Editor. This is a helpful feature to go back on or fix any mistakes that might have occurred during translations. That's all for this product update, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.